New Honda Civic Facelift 2026 YouTube script Smart Car Picks Hook. What if one of America's favorite compact sedans just got even better? The new 2026 Honda Civic Facelift brings a sharper design, improved technology, outstanding fuel economy, and the reliability Honda is known for. But is it still the best compact car you can buy, or have rivals finally caught up? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether the refreshed Civic deserves a spot in your driveway. Welcome back to Smart Car Picks, where we help you choose the right car with honest reviews and practical advice. The Honda Civic has been one of the best-selling compact cars in the United States for decades. For 2026, Honda keeps everything buyers already love while adding fresh styling, updated technology, and refined driving dynamics. Whether you're a daily commuter, a college student, or a small family looking for dependable transportation, the new Civic aims to deliver excellent value. Let's see what makes this facelift worth your attention, whether you choose the sedan or hatchback. The Civic remains one of the best-looking compact cars in its class. Step inside, and you'll find one of the nicest interiors in the segment for buyers focused on maximum efficiency. The Civic Hybrid remains an outstanding choice. Combining smooth acceleration with impressive fuel savings, handling has always been one of the Civic's biggest advantages. Precise steering, balanced suspension tuning, and a comfortable ride make it enjoyable whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway. The continuously variable transmission is refined and helps maximize fuel economy while delivering smooth acceleration. The hybrid pushes efficiency even further, with many drivers seeing close to 50 mpg combined, making it an excellent option for commuters who want lower fuel costs without switching to a fully electric vehicle. Lower fuel expenses over several years can save owners thousands of dollars. Safety has always been a Civic highlight, and the facelift continues that tradition. Honda sensing comes standard across the lineup, including collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition, and automatic high beams. Higher trims may also include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, and improved camera systems, combined with a strong body structure and excellent crash test history. The Civic remains one of the safest compact cars on the market. When it comes to reliability, Honda continues to set the benchmark. Routine maintenance is straightforward and generally affordable. Oil changes, brake service, and regular inspections are inexpensive compared with many competitors. Honda's engines have earned an excellent reputation for long-term durability when properly maintained. Parts are widely available, resale value remains strong, and insurance costs are usually reasonable for buyers planning to keep their vehicle for many years. The Civic remains one of the smartest long-term investments in the compact sedan segment. Of course, every vehicle has strengths and weaknesses. The biggest advantages include excellent fuel economy, impressive reliability, high resale value, comfortable ride quality, modern technology, and one of the best interiors in its class. On the downside, the base engine isn't particularly exciting, all-wheel drive is still unavailable, and fully loaded trims can become expensive compared to some rivals. So how does the refreshed Civic compare with its competitors? Against the Toyota Corolla, the Civic offers sportier handling and a more upscale interior, while the Corolla delivers exceptional reliability and available all-wheel drive on select models. Compared to the Hyundai Elantra, the Civic provides a more refined driving experience and stronger resale value. Although Hyundai often includes more standard technology for the money, the Mazda 3 offers a premium cabin and engaging handling. But the Civic delivers better interior space, stronger fuel economy, and lower long-term ownership costs for many buyers. So, should you buy the 2026 Honda Civic Facelift? If you're looking for a compact car that combines stylish design, excellent fuel economy, dependable reliability, advanced safety features, and enjoyable driving manners, the answer is yes. It may not be the most powerful car in the segment, but it's one of the most complete packages available for commuters, first-time buyers, small families, and anyone who wants worry-free. Refreshed Honda Civic absolutely deserves a place at the top of your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Smart Car Picks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest honest car reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.